cemetery. So malapit pala dito sila sa ano, yung cemetery malapit sa downtown. Sa airport guys. Ayan. So didiretso kami sa ano guys, restaurants. That's what we plan guys. Ayan. Mother's Day kasi ngayon guys. So happy Mother's Day to all of us guys. Ayan. So magsi-celebrate tayong ano, mga mothers Mother's Day. So ayan, pupunta kami sa restaurants guys kasama yung kapatid ng partner ko, si Lance at saka asawa ni Lance at saka si Valerie at saka si Josh, yung anak niya. Valerie, sister of my hubby, and then Lance, brother of my hubby, and me. So time to celebrate the Mother's Day guys. Ayan, samahan nyo kami mag-celebrate tayo ngayon guys. Let's go! So ayan guys, punta tayo ng restaurants ngayon. Sama ko yung hubby ko. Si Mother's Day today. We can celebrate for the Mother's Day. And celebrate kami guys. Kasama ko yung sister niya at saka brother niya at saka anak ng sister niya at saka asawa ng brother niya. So ayan guys, punta tayo guys. So ito yung Mall of America guys. Yan yung Mall of America. Yan, Mall of America guys. Yan. So hindi tayo, siguro hindi tayo pupunta dyan sa Mall of America. Ibang yung restaurants yung punta natin guys. Yan. So sama-sama lang ako sa kanila guys kasi hindi ko alam kung anong ano dito yung so hindi ko pa alam yung place dito sa kanila guys, kaya sama-sama lang ako guys kung saan nila ako dadaling guys. Ayan tayo guys, let's go. So nandito na kami sa Chevy's Restaurants guys.
Yeah, there's
small, but it's big, honey.
Hi Christine, hello. Hi there. Hi Josh, hello. We're done here guys. Ayan, Chevy's na tayo guys, kaya pasok tayo dyan sa Chevy's Restaurant guys. So nandito na kami sa Chevy's Restaurants guys, kasama ng partner ko guys. Dito pala kami mag-dinner. Ayan, sa Chevy's Restaurant.
yeah, there's
Sus, nandito talaga kami sa restaurants guys. Ayan. Hi Christine, hello. Hi there. Hi Josh.